Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Hey guys, I'd like to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And thank you so much for watching my channel and helping me grow. I appreciate all the support. This has got to be one of my most favorite airplanes that I've bought over the years. And it's still going to this day. Hopefully I don't jinx it. It keeps going and we have a good flight right now. But I'd like to share a new flight with you of the F-22. This originally was bought at Temu. It was under $100. I think I give like 70 or $80 for it. It's RTF. All you have to do is add transmitter batteries. Alright, here we go guys. Without further ado, thank you so much again for watching. Love y'all. Appreciate you. It's in 3D mode. You have stunt buttons on this one right here. All you do is push the stunt button and which way you want to go with the rolls. And you can also do loops. I'll show you that on the way back here. Stunt button down. You can't do a forward. You can in 3D mode, but not in 6G. This thing is super cool. What a fun plane to fly. Super floaty too. You can really slow it down to almost stopped. You get out here in the light a little better. Get the shadow from the trees. See how well this thing flies. It just floats up there. A little bit of wind. It's like a kite. Such an amazing stabilization system in this thing. Got some cool night lights if you want to fly it at night. Really cool. You have lights in the back where the jet engine would be on the real version. Look at that. Isn't that cool? And you can fly it like normal. Get a couple low passes here. Try to do a loop close by here. Very cool. Gaining too much altitude. This thing loves to fly. Oh yeah, that was too cool. I really recommend these. I've had a lot of fun with it. It's not the fastest plane, but it's great for beginners and intermediate or pros. I'm not claiming to be either one of those. I'd be a beginner if anything. I'm learning. I don't get a whole lot of time to get out here, but making a habit of it. This channel has definitely helped me get better at flying. Thank you all for allowing me to do such a wonderful, fun activity in my life. I do have the landing gear off of it, but it does come with landing gear. Flies really well with those. You can take off and land on the road or runway or in the grass. I just take them off because I usually do a grass landing or out here in the field. That's so cool. And you get decent flight times, like 8 to 10 minutes per battery. And you could imagine it has a little bit of room for a bigger battery, so you could probably get a heavier milliamp battery or a higher milliamp battery and fly it for even longer. These are still factory motors from the original purchase. I think I've changed maybe one prop on it. Came in a little hairy on the landing and messed one up. But other than that, I don't think I've changed anything other than the batteries in between flights. Let's get up there and see what happens if you shut the motors down. Floats down like a piece of paper. Isn't that cool? You can just kick the motor back up. Such a nice plane. If you're looking for something to get your favorite kid for Christmas or your favorite husband for Christmas, I suppose you only have one husband, I don't know. Everyone's different. Or your favorite wife, get them one of these, they'll enjoy it. Have hours and hours of fun. I'll try to share a link or an affiliate link with you if I can find one. Appreciate it if you purchase it through my affiliate link, because it'll help support the channel and I can create more videos like this one. And if you do like the video, please like it, share the video, subscribe if you haven't already. And I'd like to see you. I hope to see you again next time. I'd like to thank you very much, and once again, have a very Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. I hope you are very prosperous in everything that you do. Okay, let's bring it in for a landing. I'm getting my battery warning. You can fly for a couple minutes on that warning, but I'm gonna go ahead and bring it in and end this video. Once again, thank you all for your support. Couldn't do it without you. Let's see if I can catch it. This thing's so floaty, it's pretty easy. Yay! There you have it, the F-22 I bought from Temu originally. You can get them other places. Use your own discretion, and if I have an affiliate link, use it, please. Thanks again, guys. Have a great day. Bye. Peace.